This is a list file. It's a plain text file used by various programs to store lists of data or settings. Open it in Notepad to read the contents. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read the list. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted LST files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. The underlying technology places the LST firmly in the text file collection. It's technically governed by the generic list file format. An LST file can serve multiple purposes. Primarily, it's a simple text-based list file containing an ordered sequence of items. However, it's also associated with GRUB, Grand Unified Bootloader configuration files, which define the boot menu entries for operating systems on a computer. LST files, when used as simple lists, follow basic text file conventions. GRUB. LST files, on the other hand, adhere to a specific syntax defined by the GRUB bootloader. These files contain commands and parameters that control the boot process, including kernel selection and boot options. Essential file access for LST relies upon the utility GRUB from GNU project. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows can show text content immediately, supporting fast review. To solve the application association issue, right-click your LST file and choose Open With. Check for GRUB and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. The right program is out there. When your LST file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, use text editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad, Sublime text, to view the content, as it is a pure text file used for lists or logs. Next, use associated application. Determine the associated program, e.g. a playlist, a data logger, or a compiler, and open the file from within that application's import menu. Finally, check for corruption. Check for a corresponding back file in the same directory and try restoring the backup copy. If all basic programs fail, the LST file needs a solution with autonomous file reading capability. The Universal Viewer is worth a shot for this. I recommend switching to the FileMagick Universal Reader. It solves nearly every LST file issue with one click. Get it at filemagick.com. If you found this useful, please share it on social media and ensure you subscribe for more. Keep troubleshooting and don't give up on those tough files.